Alright, so today we have a call. The spa keeps draining overnight. This spa right here. So the way to fix the spa from draining overnight is you have to replace the check valve. Let me show you guys what it looks like. So this right here is the check valve for the spa. So at night when the pump turns off, the water just sits here and the check valve has a flapper and it keeps it from going back to the pool. So this is what the check valve looks like when it's off. So we're gonna go ahead and replace that. First thing you're gonna do is turn off the pump. Right. So turn off the pump. All right. So some water is gonna come off from here. Hold on one sec. All right, so we're gonna use a Phillips screwdriver, and we're just gonna take them off, okay? So make sure you loosen them staggered, not all at the same time, because it'll warp. Go. Once everything's loose, you can go ahead, take them off one by one. Make sure you don't lose them. There we go. It's gonna be a lot of water. Make sure you remember which way the check valve is. See this flapper? Make sure when you return it, it's this way. I'm gonna leave that there. Here's a new one, brand new one, brand new valve. Take a picture of it. So see, same way. Good. You start putting the screw. And make sure when you're doing this, you don't use power tools, because it's very easy to break stuff and overpower it. So a little bit, don't tighten it too much yet. Stagger it again. And I'm going to repeat this, don't use power tools. Because I've seen someone use power tools and then they crack this by tightening it too much. Good. And start tying them slowly. Remember, don't over tighten it. There we go. There we go. It's on. Now, let's power this on. Alright, let's see. Let's look for leaks. Let's see if it leaks. If it doesn't leak, that's good. And then we'll know tomorrow if that fixed it. But 9 times out of 10, that'll fix it. There we go, see the water. Alright, perfect. So that's how you replace a check valve. If your spa level is going down, that's what it is, okay? Alright, I'll keep you guys updated tomorrow, see how it is. Let's go.